What is the longest cave system in the world? The options are A. Mammoth Cave, B. Carlsbad Caverns, C. Blue Grotto. The correct answer is Mammoth Cave. Where is the Grand Canyon located? The options are A. Arizona, USA, B. Alberta, Canada, C. Nevada, USA. The correct answer is Arizona, USA. What is the world's largest coral reef system? The options are A. Red Sea Reef, B. Great Barrier Reef, C. Mesoamerican Reef. The correct answer is Great Barrier Reef. Mount Everest is part of which mountain range? The options are A. Andes, B. Alps, C. Himalayas. The correct answer is Himalayas. Which volcano is found in Japan and is a national symbol? The options are A. Krakatoa, B. Mount Fuji, C. Mount Etna. The correct answer is Mount Fuji. What unique natural light phenomenon can be seen in polar regions? The options are A. Solar eclipse, B. Aurora borealis, C. Bioluminescence. The correct answer is Aurora borealis. Which African waterfall is known as the smoke that thunders? The options are A. Tugela Falls, B. Blue Nile Falls, C. Victoria Falls. The correct answer is Victoria Falls. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? The options are A. Gobi, B. Mojave, C. Sahara. The correct answer is Sahara. What is the name of the active volcano in Hawaii? The options are A. Kilauea, B. Vesuvius, C. Hekla. The correct answer is Kilauea. Which natural rock formation is found in Utah, USA? The options are A. The Wave, B. Delicate Arch, C. Stonehenge. The correct answer is Delicate Arch. Which large salt flat is located in Bolivia? The options are A. Bonneville Flats, B. Atacama, C. Salar de Uyuni. The correct answer is Salar de Uyuni. What natural feature is found in the Zhangjiajie National Forest in China? The options are A. Floating mountains, B. Bamboo groves, C. Sand dunes. The correct answer is floating mountains. Which river carves the Grand Canyon? The options are A. Rio Grande, B. Colorado River, C. Mississippi River. The correct answer is Colorado River. What is the largest volcano in the solar system on Mars? The options are A. Olympus Mons, B. Mount Doom, C. Gale Crater. The correct answer is Olympus Mons. Which lake is the deepest in the world? The options are A. Lake Baikal, B. Lake Tanganyika, C. Crater Lake. The correct answer is Lake Baikal. Where are the famous marble caves located? The options are A. Canada, B. Chile, C. Norway. The correct answer is Chile. What island is famous for its stone statues and mystery? The options are A. Madagascar, B. Easter Island, C. Galapagos. The correct answer is Easter Island. Which European cave has ancient paintings and beautiful formations? The options are A. Lascaux Cave, B. Ice Cave, C. Wind Cave. The correct answer is Lascaux Cave. Which US national park has geysers and colorful hot springs? The options are A. Yosemite, B. Yellowstone, C. Grand Teton. The correct answer is Yellowstone. Which lake in Tanzania changes animals into statues due to high alkalinity? The options are A. Lake Natron, B. Lake Victoria, C. Lake Tanganyika. The correct answer is Lake Natron. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.